A contractor plans to install two slides for the children to play in a park. For the children below the age of 5 years, she prefers to have a slide whose top is at a height of 1.5 meter and is inclined at an angle of 30 degrees to the ground. Whereas for the children, she wants to have a steep slide at a height of 3 meter and inclined at an angle of 60 degrees to the ground. What should be the length of the slide in each case? Here they have mentioned about two slides. One is for the children below 5 years. Another one is for the children above 5 years, which are also called as elder children. The height of the vertical uh, way where it is been the slide is being installed is 1.5 for the 5-year children, and for the elder children it is 3 meter, and they have mentioned about elevation from the ground as 30 degree for the slide for below 5-year children, and for elder children it is 60 degree. So we need to find the length of the slide in each case. So in this case it is 1.5 sorry AC, and in this case it is DF. We need to find AC and DF, and we have opposite side, we need to find the hypotenuse. So opposite by hypotenuse is a trigonometric function sine. So sine 30 in each case we can apply to find the slide length. So in triangle ABC, sine 30 is equal to AB divided by AC. Sine 30 is half and AB is 1.5. AC we need to find. So AC will be 2 into 1.5, which is equal to 3 meters. In the second case, in triangle DEF, sine 60 is equal to DE divided by DF. So DE 3 meters is what we know, DF we do not know, and sine 60 is root 3 by 2. Therefore DF will be 3 into 2 divided by root 3. 3 we can write as root 3 into root 3, so that one of the root 3 gets cancelled. So the answer will be 2 root 3 meters is the another slide length.